Welcome back everybody. So guys, here on this lecture we're going to talk about the breadcrumbs. So what are the breadcrumbs? We often see them just right before the article to just navigate from where we're coming, a kind of a complete navigation from where we're coming and from where we are at the moment. So we're going to make a kind of a breadcrumb so you'll understand that a little more than I'm talking. So let's just make one. Yeah, again I'm just going to use the UL and the li, again the same method. Okay, I'm just going to the UL back here, and then the class I'm adding is the breadcrumb. Okay, that's simple. And yeah, absolutely, this is actually a simple thing, by the way. So inside that I'm just typing something like um, health. So we're actually coming from the health, and the here the class I'm adding here is the breadcrumb item. Spelling must be clear. And right after the health inside, I think I should put the a tag, because absolutely this is gonna be the link. Okay, that's cool. And what more, right after the li I'm just gonna add another li with another level, breadcrumb item again, and here the a hyper reference, and somehow we need to do the same we did previously. Health. Inside the health, the topic is food. Okay, and inside the food the topic will be some kind of let's see. Okay, hash again. Breakfast. Okay, here I'm adding the class again, breadcrumb item, and inside the breakfast it's gonna be another class. Come on, the breadcrumb item, and here I should be like that, a hyper reference hash, and hail the breakfast. Save it. Need to go to the browser back, and here I'm just going to refresh the page so you'll see the breadcrumb. This is, you can see that where it started from the health food breakfast, healthy breakfast. So this is how this can be a today's topic, and actually the topic is actually binding from the health and then food, then breakfast, then the today's topic. This is how the breadcrumb works. So I think you understood that. So in the next lecture we're going to talk about something different. Stay tuned and goodbye.